Hey guys, in this video, let's see how to make use of props with a class component. Now, irrespective of the component type, the properties are mentioned as attributes during the component invocation. So, we have our welcome component, which is a class component. I am going to uncomment welcome and duplicate this component. So I am just going to paste it twice and pass similar props in welcome component as well, like Bruce, over here Clark, and over here I am going to pass Diana, and I'll save this. Next I am going to add the exact same attributes in the welcome component. So now in welcome component, let's use these values. Unlike the functional component, which we specify the props, in a class component, the properties are available through this dot props, which is reserved in class components. Let me simply show you. Once I'll console.log this dot props over here and I'll save this, and in the greet component we can remove our console. Once I'll save this and go to the browser, in the console you can see we have this dot props, but what we need to do is render its properties, this dot props. So name Bruce, name Clark, name Diana. So we have rendered properties in our class component. Now we have to make use of these properties. So I am going to here edit it. Let's call it first this dot props dot name, aka this dot props dot hero name. Once I'll save this and go to the browser, we can see first Bruce aka Batman, first Clark aka Superman, first Diana aka Wonder Woman. I have replaced this hello keyword with first to distinguish it with the greet component. This is the properties and values rendered by greet component. Similarly, this is the values rendered by our welcome component. So in the welcome component, we have simply used this DOS props keyword for rendering the data. So once more, I'll go back to the app component. There we haven't changed anything in the passing, but we have used props dot name, props dot hero name in greet component. Similarly, in welcome, we have this dot props dot name, this dot props dot hero name. Now, there is one strict rule though when it comes to props, and that is props are immutable, or in simpler words, their values cannot be changed. In our example, if I'll try to update the value of props, let's say over here, this dot props dot name equal to money. Once I'll save this and go back to our browser, it gives us an error, cannot assign to read only property name of object. React component have to act like pure functions with respect to their props parameter. You cannot change it under any circumstances. Nevertheless, props is a great feature in React, and any practical React application will definitely make use of props. But now you might have a question, if props are immutable, how do we maintain component data? That might change over time. Let's discuss the answer to that question in the next video.